Would you like your blood to boil a little bit, like mine is boiling right now? Then watch this video about this problem that one of my followers sent me. Their kid who is in 6th grade as a unit in their math class on inequalities, and they have to solve this problem. So please have a good look at it first, and then we'll discuss. You know, when kids come home and they hate math or they're crying because they can't get their homework, they don't understand how to solve a problem. Well, in many cases, this comes from problems such as these that are so badly stated, they're so ill posed that it's just a nightmare of confusion that has nothing to do with math. So let's go a little bit through what's happening in this problem and what is wrong with Nate. So Nate has a 15-minute walk home. He has to babysit today. He stops by a friend's house for 13 minutes. How much time is there until he's late? At first, it looks like, well, a normal problem until you start to realize that there are so many unstated assumptions or so many unstated requirements that we need to know to solve this problem, and otherwise it makes absolutely no sense and any solution would be just a wild guess. Here's Nate, and we believe his home is 15 minutes from this location. That's not quite clear, but Nate went to a friend's house, and we know he spends 13 minutes at the friend's house. Now, we have no idea how far his friend's house is or how long it takes him to get there. We don't know how far the friend's house is from his house. We don't know where the babysitting location is or the distance from anywhere to that babysitting location. We don't know if Nate is supposed to go home before he goes babysitting. And we don't know what time is the babysitting gig. So it doesn't matter. Anything matters. Nothing matters because we don't know the time for the babysitting. And more importantly, does Nate not have any sense of urgency? Does he do everything at constant speed? If he has to get home, can't he run? It's always a 15-minute walk no matter what. Doesn't he know that he has to babysit? So if you're a teacher and you're watching this, please let this be the sign to review the problems you assign so that they make a tiny bit of sense, of common sense, so that the students can solve them without, like going nuts about a problem that makes absolutely no sense.